Here's the story of the tender-hearted toad, who asks us to look beyond the outside to the love he has inside. I hope you like this story.
The lonely warty toad sat upon his lily pad. The other sneered and hopped away, and that made him so sad. But then he spoke with wisdom that touched them deep inside. Look beyond my outside to the love I have inside. Now all the critters see it through eyes of unity. Separation disappeared when love helped them to see. The lonely warty toad sat upon his lily pad. The other sneered and hopped away, and that made him so sad. But then he spoke with wisdom that touched them deep inside. Look beyond my outside to the love I have inside. Now all the critters see him through eyes of unity. Separation disappeared when